Hello, this is a AIPRM ChatGPT extension which is completely free, and you can see there are multiples of topics are available including SEO, marketing, copywriting, software programming, software engineering, many things. And you can see here all these prompts are available, even SEO related prompts related to YouTube, blogs and all everything. And you can see this, there is a add prompt option is available as well, so you can add your prompt as well. You can see there are multiple tabs are available here. So let's click on human written to test a sample of this prompt, like either it is working or not. And you can see here, you can see all the number of views, number of comments, like, dislike, and using this you can verify like which prompt is more authentic and more used by multiple users. So yeah, I created this as sample using this human written 100% unique content, a cyber security sample. So you can see this, the whole article is generated in a proper structural form using this prompt. At the top you can see this, the prompt which I used is tagged, and then proper heading, introduction, everything, table of content is available. And if you check it, definitely you will get 70 to 75% human written at least, like in few cases also you will get more than 90% accuracy. So this is just a one sample of all those prompts, but you can use all the varieties according to your needs, and it will make your work definitely very quick and easy. And you can, there is option to export our chat as well. In the, you can see in the left bottom, export, I export this whole written article as well. So yeah, there are lots of varieties are available. So let's go to a new chat to check something else, and then select a software engineering from the topic. Yes, and now you can see in software engineering a list of prompts are available related to code generator, a complete HTML, CSS, JavaScript project code generator, Python prompts, and all these things to analyze our code, Java related things. Like you can see here, lots of prompts are available, so which are definitely going to help us a lot in our coding or while debugging anything. And especially if you are a non coder, then definitely it is going to help a lot. And you can see in the bottom there are more than thousands of prompts are available related to software engineering as well, which is a huge number. So you can must try any one of these, and definitely in some next part I will bring something related to software engineering as well using this extension. But right now I am showing the a short introduction, basic introduction related to this prompt. So let's go and see how to install and how to add this extension and use it. Just this is mainly for a beginner, so you can must try it and explore this prompt because it is completely free. You can see the option. So just go to Google and type AIPRM for ChatGPT, and you will see that this prompt at the top, because this is one of the most demanding prompt. And right now in my system this is already added in the Chrome, but if you try it first, then you will see the option to add option at the top. And you can, if you want to preview and you want to know like how this prompt is working, you can go to this overview and explore it. So after those doing those formalities, adding, click on adding the extension, you will completely, after verifying from email, you will get this option page where you have start working in ChatGPT option. And if you want to disconnect your OpenAI account, there is an option as well to join a community. You can directly join a community from here. So let's go to the prompt from here, start working with a ChatGPT. And after clicking on this, directly you will go to your ChatGPT where I was initially showing you the all those features. You can see here there are multiple tabs in all activities, and you can even sort by your things, like everything is sorted very easily and clearly. So this is a, I guess, one of the best prompt right now, and it is free as well. So definitely you try it. And you can see the list of prompts, more than 3000, like 3600 prompts are available right now related to all those important topics which we are definitely using in our daily jobs. And you can see in the topics there are lots of topics are available, and you can see all these prompts, there are lots of varieties and options are available. Even if you want to create something related to YouTube creators or anything related to your blogs, SEOs, like if you also, you will get a prompt like try to pass AI detection tools, like everything, whatever you can think or you can use in your online work, definitely you are going to get it. So yeah, and in the next part I will bring use something more closer, like I will expand it and use and build something productive, and then definitely I will show you in the next part. But right now you will see and get an overview of it. Like if you also you want to generate an output, there are multiple languages are available. The best part is in any language you can generate your outputs in, and the tone is also available. But for choosing the tone, maybe you have to purchase, but by default is enough for this. So definitely try it and wait for part 2, in which I am going to bring something great by building related to some app or some sites using this extension, and I will show you how to build it. But this is part 1. Must subscribe the channel for more tutorials. Thank you.